Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we want to introduce you to the execute beauty of the organza fabric saree chit pallu, available for just 650. Imagine yourself draped in sheer elegance and sophistications, with it lightweight and translucent material. The organza fabric saree chit pallu effortlessly enhance your grace and femininity, crafted with intricate detailing. Every fold and plate still story, tradition, artisans, and modern charm. The Chit Pallu, known for its unique design, add a touch of regality to your ensemble, making you stand out in every card. Whether it's a special occasion, wedding, or a formal event, the organza fabric saree Chit Pallu is your perfect companion. Its vibrant color and execute embroidery bring life to your entire, leaving a lasting impression on everyone you meet. And but that's not all. The versatility of this saree is unmatched. Pair it with statement blouse or experiment with different draping style to create stunning looks every time. Made with utmost attention to detail, this saree ensures both comfort, style, its soft texture, and will make you feel like a queen. Well, the following slowly add a touch of glamour to your persona, and so don't wait any longer. Discover the grace the organza fabric saree chit pallu today. Add a touch of elegance to your wardrobe. Order your just now 650 and let the spotlight be on. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoy it, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to our channel for more fashion inspiration and exclusive offer. Stay stylish, and we will see you in the next video. If you purchase this saree, then also link is in description box. You can check it out. Till then, bye, take care, and thank you for watching my video.